Alright guys, so we're going to test the battery on this Porsche Cayenne here. The process I'm going to show you is really the same for any vehicle really, but it just so happens to be a Porsche Cayenne that we are currently demonstrating this on. Now this is the Foxwell BT100 Pro kit, and this kit is available just by clicking the link directly below this video. It's an Amazon link. It'll take you directly to where you'll always get the cheapest price for this product. So let's unpack this product and hook it up to the battery of this Cayenne and see how well it goes. We now have the tool plugged into the battery, so we've got terminals here for this car, which makes it very easy, but if you've got easy access to the battery on your car, then just plug the red up to the positive and the black up to the negative. So the tool powers on once it's hooked up to the battery, and we've got a current reading of 12.22 volts here. So we're just going to click enter, and then we're going to click battery test, and we're going to select our vehicle. So it's in vehicle at the moment, and it's an AGM battery, and we need to select the letters which are on the battery. So in our case it's EN, and then it's going to ask you for the rating. So this is a 850, so we just need to go up to 850. Obviously every battery is different, so it gives you an option to put in the right details for your battery. So 850 AN, please wait, and it's telling us actually replace battery. So it's giving us a few readings here. You can make of these what you will. Obviously the readings on your vehicle will be very different to the vehicle, the readings we have on this vehicle. And there we go, it's telling us to replace the battery on this particular vehicle, and it's not surprising really, because we have had a few issues when starting this vehicle. So it looks like the tool is actually working as it should be. So as I say, the link to this kit is in the description below this video, available on Amazon, and will always that link will always link to the cheapest priced kit for your vehicle.